In this video, I am going to show you how to make a text appear later in a Canva video. So what I'll need to do first is simply go to canva.com, make sure you're logged in into an account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, just go and create a new account. It's going to be very simple. So once you do so, you should find yourself here. And here I'm just going to create like a video projects. For you, if you already have your projects, you can just go and access that. And here I am just going to upload like an image, and of course the image will be turned into a video right away. Why? Because like we created a video project. As you can see, 5-second video. And now I'll make this video a little bit longer. Let's just make it 20 seconds. And of course now we want to make text appear later in video. So what I'll need to do is simply go and add my text. And here I'll just add, let's say, for example, it's a YouTube video. So I'll add subscribe. So subscribe. And I'll make it bold a little bit, as an example, and make it bigger. And of course, let's just make it red. So yeah, this is good. And as you can see, the text right here will be. So the text, here we are. And we have it right here. So if I wanted to appear later in the video, I'm just going to shrink its timeline until later in the video. So like the last seconds or the last 3 seconds of the video. I can just add some animations to it. For example, maybe it should rise like this, then it will be removed. So let's just make the video a little bit smaller. Just go take this. Okay, let me just go and edit that again. So last 3 seconds, let me just take it here and make the video smaller a bit. And yeah, like that. Animation, it's already had it, but it's fine. So now as you can see, if we play the video, we'll be able to see, like, this is our video. Of course, it's just an image, but you can see, and the text will appear later in the video, as you can see. So once it's reached it will appear, and then yeah, that's about it. That's how you make a text appear later in a video. So if you have any questions, just leave it down below in the comment section and I'll do my best to help you out.